Hey guys, it's your girl Shelone. Welcome back to my channel. Today is another Clean With Me living room edition. As you can see, my couch is quite filthy. Thanks to this toddler that I have. There's a culprit. And I wanted to show you guys what I do to keep my couch clean. I try to do maybe like a spot clean whenever spills happen, but sometimes I just don't have the time to clean up after my toddler. Can't believe I have a toddler. Oh my gosh. Anyways, so I'm just showing you right now like the condition of the couch. For me, this is pretty dirty for my standard, okay? I know it could be worse, but I just don't like to see dirt, okay? All right, so first things first, I have to start with vacuum. It's important to vacuum your couch before you start cleaning, guys, because if you start to like do an upholstery clean with like water, it's just gonna make the process so much more difficult. So I get my attachment for my Dyson vacuum, which I told you guys in my previous video that I love so much. So I'm using two attachments. I'm using the I don't remember the name of the attachment, but I'll put the name on screen for you guys. But I love this vacuum so much. It's very hyperallergenic and it's really powerful. I got the pet version. I don't have pets, but I think I mentioned this before that I love pet anything that if they offer something, I'll do the pet version because it gets so much dirt. And there you go. And I'm gonna be using the Bissell Spot Clean ProHeat. No, I bought this at Walmart because I was kind of in between trying to figure out what attachment to use to wash the upholstery, but I settled on this because it was economic and yeah, it seemed to have really good reviews as well. So I've sped up the process of me pretty much cleaning the couch. You pretty much spray a mist and then you suck up the dirt while you scrub it. And that's just from maybe like the first pass. So it was pretty dirty. So yeah. As I was saying, you spray the solution through the nozzle and there's a little brush that you brush and it sucks up the dirt. Do you see how much dirt that is, guys? Yeah. Yeah, that's not cute. I did about I got collected about 2 bottles of that fluid amount. When I was done washing the upholstery, I used my fabric spray by Febreze. I didn't need it, but I like to use my fabric spray just to make everything, smell like it's all brand new, like it just came out of the store. Actually better than it did when it came out of the store. So next, I'm going to be cleaning my cushion covers. I'm using a spot cleaner or spot remover that came with a kit that I got when I purchased my chairs that you see here. But besides that, you could probably use what I'm using is a pet cleaner, a pet remover spray from Bissell again. Like I said, guys, I don't have pets, but I find pet solutions extremely effective at removing stains because it's designed for heavy duty work and I don't want to like scrub a dub and hurt my back trying to remove dirt. So I get the most effective cleaner that I can find. And as you can see, my lovely son left some stains on this cushion that I purchased from HomeSense. The other cushion was from Amazon. But yeah, I try my best to saturate it. You could leave it for maybe about 5 minutes before you go ahead and rub out the little stains. I use a what it called again? Oh yeah, microfiber towel. Yeah, wet microfiber towel. I think it was wet here. I'm almost certain it was wet. If it wasn't wet, I must have, lost a screw here. But yeah, it does a really good job of removing stains, and these are red food stains, and red dyes are hard to remove, So yeah, that's the progress on those pillows. All right, so here is the couch. It's mostly dry, and as you can see, it looks so much better. It looks so much better, like 100 times better. I am so happy with the purchase. It took a little bit of elbow grease, but I'm pretty pleased with the results. And it smells amazing too because the upholstery solution actually also has its own scent boosters in it. So that is what the couch is looking like, sectional. And I'm quite quite pleased. So this is what it looks like with the cushions. So nice. I love it so much. My 2-year-old couch is from The Brick. My coffee table and entertainment stand are from IKEA, and the key holder is from Amazon. Fun fact, this mirror was actually thrifted. It just works well with the decor. I kind of lucked out there. These fake plants are from IKEA, the pots as well. The stand though was thrifted and I painted it white. Lovely little stand. I love a thrifted piece. The shelves and some of the plants are from Dollarama. Some of the plants here as well are from IKEA, and the painting is actually from HomeSense. So that's where I picked up those. This entire plant is from IKEA. I had no idea IKEA sells real plants. I thought it was just fake plants, but love this. My rug is from overstock.ca. My centerpiece used to be on the table, but my toddler refuses to keep it that way. My TV is from The Brick as well, and it's the Samsung Q80T 65-inch if you are interested. That pretty much sums up my living room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more and hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.